3 years plant, sir. ಕನ್ನಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ತುಂಬ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದೇ ಮೆನಿ ಆರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಿ ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯೂ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. One is, we are talking about drainage, no? Drainage is very important. We are thinking our rainfall is very less, nothing will happen. No drainage, sir, water will go like that. Means water stagnation is one thing, and soil moisture content is another thing. If you have more soil moisture also, suppose continuous in rainy areas, continuously on 20 days rains will be there. During that time also problem will happen. That's why this is a bed we prepared actually. Now we are going to rectify before rains. Now one more time we'll raise little bit. Okay, this is the bed, almost 2 meter bed we prepared. On that just planted water, whatever is there, it will go in here. This is one system. Okay, bed little bit height also we can prepare, and narrow also it can be 1.5 meter, which is also enough. This is bed system. Okay, this will avoid spite of crop. Otherwise water stagnation is what we will do now is, because summer we should get this much, otherwise we will make little bit higher. What will go sides. Okay, drip irrigation, and now when scarcity is there, they will go for some tanker, this one also. Okay, generally if you have water, farmers they will have water facility, good water facility, drip will be ideal. Drippers, always while keeping drippers, no, you should take 2 drippers. One should be this side. Okay. See, age of the, suppose initially when plants are 1 year, dripper distance will be, this is okay. After 2 years, 3 years, no, dripper should come 1 year, one should go that side. Like that, year by year, the distance should increase. After 4 years, 5 years, 4 drippers will be ideal instead of 2. Now only 2 is enough for small plant.
No, every day you are giving water?
No, not required, sir, every day. Every day is not required. Just 2 days once is enough. Summer.
Only in the evening?
In rainy season, not at all required. Water not at all required. Summer, 2 days, alternate day is enough. Okay. How many? See, for small plants you require now 20 liters are more than enough. 2 days once. 2 days? 2 days once. Small plant. No, actually it will discharge. Now if you have go for mulching and all, you require only 5 liters. Like that. Now evaporation will be more because of high temperature and this one. Because it will 4 LPH something will be there here. 4 LPH or 8 LPH. 4 liters means 4 liters, 8 liters per 1 hour. It will dispose. Almost 2 hours if you run also, more than enough. But pressure should be.
When you planted the seedlings, sir, you made the bed little elevated.
No, because this bed only we made in this one. This method we made this bed. Actually, this was level land. We removed the soil and we made bed here. Okay. See, you can see that.
Yes.
Okay. This is the bed system. Yes. Here we will go. I will show this 3 years plant, sir.